did kimbap. I had kimbap too. And Anna, sundubu. Gyros. And like spicy too?
Yeah, I love it.
That's good. Me too. And
I ate bibimbap.
bibimbap.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, it's very, very useful.
Very useful for my health. Yeah.
And what about Rita?
The same with her. The same seat.
Same, not the same seat. Spicy one? Good, very good. And do you guys like watching awards? In the end of the year, there are many awards, right?
Awards.
Awards.